Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can sync music with video in Davinci Resolve. First, open your Davinci Resolve. Create a new project. And here import your music and video. Now bring them to your timeline. As you can see, I have put the music and video differently. Now to sync them, select all and right click and click on auto align clips. You can auto align them based on their waveform or timecode. I will choose based on timecode, and here as you can see our music is synced with our video perfectly. And like this you can sync any music with your video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.